welcome to Gratitude Meditation. To start with, sit in a meditation posture. ध्यान मुद्रा में बैठ जाइए. You can sit in Sukhasana or any posture you are comfortable with. आप बैठ के भी ध्यान कर सकते हो, आप लेट के भी ध्यान कर सकते हो. ध्यान मुद्रा में बैठ जाइए. आंखें बंद. Just relax your body completely. Relax your mind. Relax your soul. Just relax. Completely relax. Focus on your nose and observe your breathing. Focus on your nose. Observe your breathing. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply as much as you can. Exhale out completely as much as you can. गहरा श्वास लीजिए. और जितना ही श्वास को बाहर फेंक सकते हो उतना स्लोली श्वास को बाहर जाने दीजिए. शरीर में, आपके बॉडी में कहीं पे भी टेंशन है, स्ट्रेस है, तो उसे जाने दीजिए. जस्ट रिलीज ऑल द टेंशन एंड स्ट्रेस फ्रॉम योर बॉडी. जस्ट रिलीज एंड लेट गो. Release and let go. Take another deep breath. Inhale slowly and exhale out completely. Your body is relaxed, fully relaxed. Your mind is relaxed, completely relaxed. Continue to breathe slowly and gently as you bring your awareness on the top of your head. Just relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel your muscles relax. Feel your body is relaxed. Take a few more deep breaths and relax completely. In this relaxed state, you have to start visualizing all the things you are grateful for in your life. All the things you are thankful for in your life. Think about all the love you have in your life, all the love you are receiving in your life. Just be completely thankful and grateful for the love. Think about all the beautiful people and relations in your life, and just be completely thankful and grateful. Think about all the breath you have in your life, in your lungs, and just be thankful and grateful for the same. To all the peace you are feeling right now and you have in your life, just be thankful and grateful. To all the knowledge you have in your life and all the knowledge you are receiving in your life, be thankful and grateful. To all the health you have in your life, to the healthy body and healthy mind you have, be thankful and grateful. To all the time you have in your life, be thankful and grateful. To all the moments you are celebrating, you are connecting with new people, just be thankful and grateful. To all the money and abundance you have in your life, and all the money and abundance you are creating and receiving in your life from future, just be thankful and grateful in advance. Think about all the beautiful things you have created in your life, you are creating in your life. Just be thankful and grateful. Life is all about possibilities and opportunities. So be thankful and grateful for the opportunities coming in your life and for all the opportunities you have right now in present. Just think about every best things, every good things you have in your life and feel grateful and thankful for every single thing. That can be even very minute and small things. You just have to feel grateful. You have to notice it and be grateful and thankful. The more you will be thankful and grateful, the more you will invite such situations in your life where you will feel more grateful, more thankful. Feel it. Think about all the things you are eating, all the healthy food you are eating for yourself, for your body, and just be thankful and grateful for the same. If you are having a difficult time coming up with gratitude, ask God, ask the higher power or the highest part of yourself to reveal them to you in advance. And be grateful and thankful for the same. Allow the feeling of deep gratitude to come into your body. Notice that feeling. Take a few deep breaths and allow this feeling to expand. Enjoy the pleasant feeling gratitude is giving you and feel it washing away your tension and negativity. Just be completely thankful and grateful for every single thing you can think about in your life. That can be love, knowledge, money, work, colleagues, relationship, traveling, all the comforts, your beautiful home, the clothes you wear, the relation you create, to all the past, to all the present, and to all the future, and to all the situation, all the experiences you had or you are having right now in present, which is teaching you and making you learn new things. So just be thankful and grateful in advance for everything in your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, for everything I have in my life. You can remain in this relaxed state as long as you like it. When you are ready, end your gratitude meditation with the following affirmation. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for the blessings I have in my life. May these blessings multiply as I continue to notice and give thanks for them. Thank you, universe. I love you. Be in this feeling of gratitude with you. Carry it with you as you go through your day or drift off to sleep. Thank you.